I was driving to campus just like any normal day, and as I pulled into the intersection, the other driver completely blew the red light. When the police came, I was able to show them the Nexar footage right there. The Nexar dashcam really saved the day. I'm Molly Miller-Riffogle, and I live in Bozeman, Montana. I'm a college student studying psychology, sociology, and pre-med. After the crash, the other driver came up to my window saying, "I don't know who was at fault." I was instantly saying, "I have an Nexar dashcam, I can check it." Being able to just have that reassurance that I was not at fault was an amazing feeling. What I like most about Nexar is that it records the entire drive. If it detects a hard brake or a crash impact, then it'll send an alert to your phone. Pre-cut the clip, and it is continuously uploading to the cloud for free. The information from the crash included impact and estimated speed that I was going, all readily available as soon as it happened. Having all of these cool and incredibly helpful features for free is what really sold me on the Nexar dashcam. Installing it is incredibly easy, that anybody could do it. It's an amazing product. I would 100% recommend getting an Nexar dashcam. It was worth everything.